Artificial intelligence is changing everything, the way we work, learn, and create. But for most people, AI still feels like a distant, complex world, something only experts can understand. At Fikaweb Academy, we believe the future of AI should be for everyone, not hidden behind algorithms, but shared through creativity, clarity, and curiosity. Our mission is simple: to make AI accessible, inspiring, and practical. We explore how technology can empower people, from beginners taking their first steps to professionals looking to integrate AI into real projects. Through short videos, stories, and visual explanations, we break down complex ideas like machine learning, neural networks, and natural language processing, turning them into something easy to see, easy to feel, and easy to remember. Because understanding AI isn't just about the future, it's about shaping it. Together, we can build a world where technology enhances what makes us human: our creativity, our empathy, and our imagination. Welcome to Fikaweb Academy. Let's shape the future of AI together.